Hi, welcome to Dear Earth Love Francis YouTube channel. So I'm back here again. So this is day 2, and this time we're gonna talk about details. We're gonna talk about specifics on my campaign. All right. So let's talk about one particular country, and that is Thailand. Okay. So I'll begin with the question of when you think of Thailand, what the first thing that come to your mind? Is it the wonderful beaches, or it's one of the best countries in terms of tourism? Is it mangoes, or is it about elephants? Right? So the reason why I ask is because part of my campaign and plan is to invite people, particularly the experts, to propagate native and endemic trees in Thailand. So, and then choose a specific province where we can plant those trees. And then from there, we can now beautify the area and hopefully add free-range elephants for them to roam. And that will be our agritourism place. So it will be kind of like a resort and spa where not just the locals, not just the Thai people, but even particularly foreigners, so that they will enjoy the place, but at the same time learn about the native and endemic trees in Thailand, enjoy the elephants, learn how the elephants live in a normal setting, natural setting, where they're not caged and foreigners are not allowed to ride on them, right? So this is in some way to give awareness to everyone in the world that we need agroforestry to mitigate climate change, because trees are very important when it comes to carbon sequestration, right? And then aside from that, we promote biodiversity. So if we plant a lot of native and endemic trees in Thailand, there will be also native and endemic animals that will help the biodiversity in Thailand. So elephant is just one of the animals in our biodiversity system. And of course, that will be helpful for the agritourism. But don't forget about the birds. Don't forget about the insects. Don't forget about the worms or even the livestock that could integrate well with the agroforestry in Thailand. Okay? So this is just a concept that I have in mind. So definitely, if you on YouTube would like to discuss more about that, feel free to message me on here on YouTube, so we can discuss about where in Thailand are we gonna set this up. Of course, we have to collaborate with the Thailand government, and I'm an AI engineer, so I could also help with automation and propagating these native trees, so we could have a more durable native and endemic trees, higher yield for the farmers, smallholder farmers, as well as it's a better breed of trees that we're gonna do. Okay, so there's lots of things to talk about, but this is just one specific country that I want to discuss with you guys. And Thailand is, they need our help. And if we could start with Thailand, so much the better. And we have the elephants as well to promote biodiversity, and along with the native and the endemic trees. Okay, so I will end my video here. So again, Thailand, agroforestry, and elephants.